Are you interested in growing your own seeds indoors? Keep watching for a review on the Jumpstart Self-Germination Station. Hi everyone, this is Audra with Urban Gardening, and today I'm going to unbox a self-starting seed kit, growing kit. So here with me I have a Jumpstart Germination Station, the perfect indoor start for your garden. And I have not opened this yet, so I'm going to open it up and show you what's inside. This came from Amazon and it says it has a heat mat included, so let's see what happens. So it's got a little tab here on the end. Pop out, open that up, there's a cord, okay, looks like it all. So let's see what we got here. We have an insert. This looks like 72, I would think, 72 cells. So there's a little instruction booklet here. This is the growing pan, so that goes in there. And then there's the little greenhouse top. It's pretty heavy duty plastic. It's not as flimsy as some others that I've seen. So that goes on there like that. I don't know what this is. There's something taped here. Oh, I think that's, oh, there's a little vent in the top here. You can turn this thing to let air out, and it looks like you can put a smaller one in if you want different amounts of air to come out. I think that's what that's for. So anyway, and then here's the heat mat. I've never used a heat mat before actually, so I'm kind of excited to try this. It's just a flat piece of like vinyl or something with a plug-in. So anyway, I think this goes underneath there, and this goes on top like that. So anyway, I'm a little disappointed that it doesn't have the growing medium in it. Sometimes you see those little growing medium discs that you drop down in the bottom there and you fill them with water, and then they expand and you plant your seeds in there. So it doesn't look like that comes with this, which I'm kind of bummed about that, because now I'll have to go get something, which is fine, but anyway. So anyway, we've got the lid, the cells, the tray, the heat mat, and the instruction manual. So, looks like a pretty good kit if you want to try it. If you have one of these or have used it, I'd love to hear your comments about whether you liked it or not and what you thought. So, please subscribe so you don't miss anything, and don't forget to like and share with all your friends who have interest in starting their own seeds indoors. Thanks for watching.